Hey guys, what's up? So I'm sure a lot of you already know the manga Dragon Ball, Tora Classic, right? It's been huge all over the world and honestly, I love it too. The story all begins with these 7 Dragon Balls. If you collect them, you can summon a dragon that grants any wish. And in the manga, Bulma builds this gadget called the Dragon Raider to track them down. That's basically where the adventure begins. Now, obviously, the Dragon Balls are not real, but I thought it would be fun to build my own version of the Dragon Raider using an ESP32. Here's what I've got so far. It's still in the early stages, but it already works. If you've been following my channel, you know I've been working on this local map project. Basically, I preload map data onto an SD card, then render map tiles on ESP32 using GPS coordinates. I even put the component up on the ESP registry if you want to check it out. For this build, I used ESP32-P4 board from Waveshare with a 7-inch round display. It's got enough power to handle some nice graphics. You will see these yellow circles on the map, those are the target nodes. I set them based on GPS coordinates so the map can zoom in and out and still keep them locked in the right spot. That's the basic idea of my Dragon Ball Raider. But I think it would be even cooler to add a physical button just like in the manga to cycle through the targets, and maybe for the next step, I will bring in another ESP32 and send live GPS data over LoRa or ESP-Now so the targets update dynamically. Anyway, that's where I am at with this project. If you are into this kind of stuff, make sure to stick around. I'll be posting updates as soon as I get the next version running. Okay then, see you soon.